To fashion retailer over 1,000 square meters, sponsored by Master Management. And I'd like to call up Paul Kuzmish to help us give this award away.
And in this category, we have 5 nominees. And these are C&A, De facto, Forever 21, Reserved, and Victoria's Secret.
So Paul, welcome to the stage. Good to see you. Thank you for helping us hand out this award. And
it's my honor, Craig, and if I can get everyone's attention for 3 seconds. Every year, hey, the jury. No more alcohol for the jury. Yeah. I would like to congratulate Craig on your 10th year. I'm the only person that does it every year, so
Congratulations.
And congratulations to the team, the Europa Property team that did such a great job. Most of them have been here that 10 years.
After the first year, we never thought there'd be a second one, so.
Yeah, it was pretty rough, yeah. Thank you for sponsoring the cigar and whiskey bar tonight, as you do every year.
Yes. I want to thank the big guy that came to my office to make sure I was doing it again. He does a good job.
Great. Well, read out the winner for us for this category. The photographer's on an hourly, so we got to get him out of here.
Okay. If you can do any more awards, it would be great next year. The winner for over 1,000 square meters, Victoria's Secret.
Victoria's Secret.
So congratulations.
Miami equals clubs with a little bit of roll tag. I flipped it, black suits, white shirts, class with a matching tag like Adrian J or Adrian.
Hello, thank you very much for voting for us, and see you within 2 months in our new store in Złote Tarasy.
20. Yeah.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Know that I don't give a number 2. Just halfway.